बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो रहमान और रहीम है।
इक़रा बिस्मि रब्बिकल्लज़ी खलक़।
पढ़ो ए नबी अपने रब के नाम के साथ जिसने पैदा किया।
खलक़ल इंसान मिन अलक़।
जमे हुए खून के एक लोथड़े से इंसान की तख्लीक की।
इक़रा व रब्बुकल अकरम।
पढ़ो और तुम्हारा रब बड़ा करीम है।
अल्लज़ी अल्लम बिल क़लम।
जिसने कलम के जरिए से इल्म सिखाया।
अल्लमल इंसान मा लम यअलम।
इंसान को वो इल्म दिया जिसे वो न जानता था।
Assalamu alaikum. We start our class with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. Welcome to all students and parents in our second video session of first semester final. This is class 5 and it is the period of English language teaching. It's the first video of week number 2. In this video we will cover the stuff of week number 2. As you know that it's the period of English grammar. So first we should know about the grammar, that what is grammar. To learn about रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन ऑफ एनी लैंग्वेज इज कॉल्ड ग्रामर। किसी भी जबान के रूल्स और रेगुलेशन के बारे में समझना, उन्हें सीखना ग्रामर कहलाता है। इन वीक नंबर 1 वी हैड रीड अबाउट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ वर्ब एंड इन वीक नंबर 2 वी हैड रीड अबाउट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ बी वर्ब। फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू रिव्यू द डेफिनेशंस ऑफ वर्ब एंड बी वर्ब विच यू हैड लर्नड इन द class when you were coming to school. And before the definition of verb, I had told you about the parts of speech. What is parts of speech? Some words, some letters join the words, and these words combine the sentences. They are called parts of speech. How many parts of speech are there? There are 8 parts of speech. Number 1 is noun, number 2 pronoun, number 3 adjective, number 4 verb, number 5 adverb, number 6 conjunction, preposition, number 7 conjunction, and number 8 is interjection. The first 3 topics, noun, pronoun and adjective, you have studied in the first semester, first term. Now let's move to the new topic, verb. I am just going to review which you have learned in the class when you were coming to school. Verb. What is verb? Verb क्या है? Verb किसे कहते हैं? डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड वर्ब। वजाहत करने वाले अल्फाज, काम करने वाले अल्फाज वर्ब कहलाते हैं। आई हैव रिटन 3 डेफिनेशन इन योर कॉपी। नंबर 2 डेफिनेशन इज अ वर्ब सेज व्हाट समबडी और समथिंग डज, इज और हैज। एक वर्ब बताता है किसी भी चीज या शख्स के बारे में कि वो क्या करता है, वो क्या है और क्या उसके पास है। नाउ द 3rd डेफिनेशन वाज इट इज अ वर्ब दैट डिनोट्स द डूइंग ऑफ सम एक्शन, कि ये जाहिर करता है किसी ऐसे एक्शन को, ये ऐसा लफ्ज है जो किसी भी काम के करने को जाहिर करता है। जैसे द वर्ड्स एग्जांपल वर गो, प्ले, डू, स्विम, राइट। दीज आर वर्ड्स एग्जांपल एंड इन द सेंटेंस एग्जांपल वाज आई गो टू स्कूल। इन दिस सेंटेंस गो इज वर्ब बिकॉज इट्स हैपनिंग द एक्शन। नंबर 2 दे प्ले गेम। इन दिस सेंटेंस प्ले इज वर्ब। We do work. In this sentence do is verb. Fish swim. In this sentence swim is verb. I write a letter. In this sentence write is verb. Now come towards the exercise number 5 page number 81. This exercise have not solved in the class. ये exercise class में solve नहीं हुई थी, so I am going to solve the exercise. You have to solve this exercise in the book with the help of this video. And also you will make the head in your copy. First one, exercise number 1, exercise number 5, page number 81. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of verb. Number 1 sentence, what does the dog do? You will write the verbs of each sentence. The dog. What does the dog do? The dog barks. You will write the verbs. The dog barks. What does the lion do? The lion roars. And number 3 is who plays cricket. In this sentence you will put the verb. In every sentence you will put the verb. You will do this exercise in your book and then you will make the head in your copy with the work of verb. Who plays cricket? I play cricket. Number 4. What does the sun do? The sun shines. In number 5. Who likes games? They like game. Number 6. Who writes copy books? Rashid and Ghafoor write. Number 7. What did the birds do? The birds fly. In number 8. Who talks loudly? All the boys talk. All the boys talk loudly. Number 9. Who rings the bell? The peon rings the bell. And in number 10. Who dropped the pen knife? Rashid dropped. Rashid dropped the pen knife. Number 11. Who broke the slate? These 3 boys broke. 12. Who is late? Akram and Asghar are late. Number 13. Are the mangoes ripe? The mangoes are ripe. In number 14. Do you go to school daily? I go to school daily. In number 15. Can you do this sum? I can do this sum. In 16. Who likes to swim? All of us like to swim. Number 17. Where were you present? Were you present yesterday? I was not. I was. Number 18. Whose book is this? This book is. Number 19. Which are your books? These are my books. These are. 20. Who will clean the blackboard? I shall clean. And last 21 is, will you come tomorrow morning? I shall come tomorrow morning. You have to do this exercise with verbs. If the sentence is present, then what does the dog do? Dog kya karta hai? Does is present indefinite tense. So you will write the answer in also present indefinite. If the question is in past indefinite, so you will write the answer in past indefinite. So these are verbs. This exercise has not done in the class, so you have to do this exercise with the help of this video in your book and make the title page in your copy. And you will also this pair work in your copy. Pair work, you have to write this work in your copy because this work has not done in the class. Now let move be verb. What is be verb? Be verb which shows being something of a noun or pronoun, जो किसी भी noun या pronoun के होने को जाहिर करता है, be verb कहलाता है. Be verbs are is, am, are, was, were, will, shall, has, have, had. These are called be verb and they are also called helping verbs. They are not action verb. They are not action verb. Now come towards the sentence examples are, I am your friend. In this sentence be verb is am. The children were happy. In this sentence were is be verb. He will be a doctor. In this sentence will be a be verb. I have money. In this sentence have is be verb. We had problems. In this sentence had is be verb. So there is a big difference about in verbs and be verbs. Verbs are called action verb and be verbs are called helping verb. They are not defined the action. They don't define the action. Now let's move to exercise number 4 and 5, page number 93. These exercises has been solved in your class when you were coming to school. Now let's move to to our new topic is kinds of verb. How many kinds of verb are there? There are two kinds of verb. Number one is transitive verb and number two is intransitive verb. Transitive verb. There are two kinds of verb, transitive and intransitive. What is transitive and intransitive? The verb which needs an object to complete its sense is called transitive verb. The verb ऐसा verb which needs, जिसे जरूरत होती है, need an object, किसी भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट की टू कंप्लीट इट्स सेंस, जो उसके मफहूम को, उसकी बात को मुकम्मल कर सके, इज कॉल्ड ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब कहलाता है. मींस वी कैन से दैट विच वर्ब नीड्स एन ऑब्जेक्ट टू कंप्लीट इट्स सेंस, उसके मफहूम को मुकम्मल कर लिए एक ऑब्जेक्ट की नीड होती है. विदाउट ऑब्जेक्ट सेंटेंस मुकम्मल नहीं होगा, सेंटेंस कंप्लीट नहीं होगा, सेंटेंस का मफहूम समझ में नहीं आएगा. दीज आर कॉल्ड ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. जस्ट लव, eat, drink, catch, like. We love. What we love? We love our country, we love our parents, we love our mother, we need an object to complete its sense. So this is transitive verb and this is object. As you know that there are three parts of a sentence, that subject plus verb plus object. Now second one is cow eats grass. Cow eats grass. Cow eats what? Cow eats, it eats grass. So it is object and this is transitive verb. She drinks water. In this sentence drinks is transitive verb and water is object. He catches the ball. He catches, transitive verb, the ball is object. I like. What I like? Like, transitive verb and in this sentence pizza is object, because every verb need an object to complete its sense. Now let's move to intransitive verb. The verb which does not need an object and gives complete sense without object is called transitive verb. ऐसे वर्ब जिन्हें जरूरत नहीं होती ऑब्जेक्ट की एंड गिव्स कंप्लीट सेंस, और वो मुकम्मल मफहूम देते हैं विदाउट ऑब्जेक्ट, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के बगैर उसके जुमले का मफहूम समझ में आ जाए, इस कॉल्ड इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब कहलाते हैं. जस्ट लाइक लाफ, फ्लाई, रन, ब्लो, स्विंग, दीज आर कॉल्ड इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब बिकॉज दे डोंट नीड टू ऑब्जेक्ट. वी लाफ. लाफ इज इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. Birds fly. Here in this sentence is fly is intransitive verb because without object the sentence has been completed. They run. In this sentence intransitive verb run. The wind blows. In this sentence blows is intransitive verb. Fish swim. In this sentence swim is intransitive verb because they are completing the sentence without object. So are you getting the difference? Both of them, they need an object and they don't need an object. They complete the sense without object. Exercise number 3, page number 97. You have to solve this exercise with the content solution. There are so many options in these blanks. Exercise number 3, page number 97. Complete the following by supplying an object. You have to give the object of these sentences. He videographed. He videographed. Exercise number 3A. He videographed the function a party or a picnic. There are 3 options in this sentence. You will write any one option in your book. This is the book work and you will make the title page. You will make the head in your copy. The teacher punished. The teacher punished the students, the girls, the boys. You have to write the object of every sentence in the blanks. A shoemaker makes shoes. Number 4, my brother wrote this. Poem, story, letter, application. Any one option you can write in your book. He broke a cup, a pencil, a plate, a pen. Number 6, the cow gives milk. Number 7, the sun gives heat, light, sunlight. You can write any one option in your book. The mason built the house. Number 9, the tailor made the clothes. Number 10, the policeman caught the thieves, the robbers. Number 11, the cat killed the mouse. Number 12, the last one, the thief stole money, mobile, gold, treasure. You can any one option write in your book. Now the second B exercise number B, third B. Read the answer to each other in small groups and decide which answers are the best. You have to do pair work. You have to do this exercise in pair work in your solution, content solution. So you will write the work in your copy and do the practice of exercise number B in pair work. As you know that there are two portions over ELT. Now let's move towards language portion. That by this portion we try to improve our communication skills through conversation, presentation, oral practice and interview based type questions. So conversation is the way of talking between two or more than two persons in which the ideas, thoughts and views are exchanged. So the first topic in our English language, the conversation. So conversation is the way, and it is we need a partner to perform the conversation. So the eyes contact and the face expression is the main object of the conversation to each other. So for the conversation, I would like to call my partner. Assalamualaikum, miss.
Walaikum assalam.
Hello.
Hi.
Do you live a healthy life?
Yes, I live healthy life.
How do you maintain your health?
I do exercise daily.
Do you eat fast food?
No, I don't because it's unhealthy.
Do you play computer games?
No, I don't.
Then what do you play?
I play tennis because it makes me healthy.
Now the second conversation, first one conversation is conversation about healthy lifestyle and the second conversation is about crime story or detective film. Hello,
Hi.
where were you last night?
I was at the museum. I saw two thieves there.
What did they look like?
They were wearing masks.
What did they want?
They wanted my mobile.
How did you feel?
I felt very scared.
What did the thieves do?
They took my mobile and ran away.
Then what happened?
Nothing, I just lost my mobile.
Thank you, miss, for your cooperation.
Thanks.
So, students, you had watched the conversation between two persons. So like that, you have to perform this conversation with your partner in your home task. Now, come towards the home task. Write 3 sentences of transitive and intransitive verb. In the home task, you will do the work and do the practice of conversation with your partner. Do the work according to content with index and title pages. You have to do your work in your copy with the help of content sequence wise, not portion wise. You will do your work not portion wise. So today's lecture winds up here. I hope you had got everything. Now we will meet again with the next topic, and so take care and Allah Hafiz.